Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the differences between FBA private label and FBA wholesale. You guys don't want to miss this one. What is going on, YouTube fam? Cohen Chorbick here, and today I'm going to be talking about the differences between private label and wholesale for you guys that have been looking into this niche, not really too sure which one you want to dive into. There are major differences between the two, so let's jump into them without further ado. So to start things off with private label, this is when you're actually grabbing some form of a product and you're turning it into a brand. Let's take this water bottle as an example, okay? You got this water bottle right here, okay? Now you would have to create a brand around this item and really put it out there to the markets. In this case, you know, there's a company called Everlast. They are the company that branded around this simple bottle and, you know, have probably sold tons and tons of products just by developing a brand around it and really creating that market around this product, okay? So the key differences is between private label and wholesale is you're dealing with already established products in the wholesale distribution. So in this case, this is wholesale, FBA wholesale, is you would buy a product such as this Calvin Klein t-shirt. Okay, you'd put this on the market and basically you already know people are buying these types of products. And again, this is the key differences between the two. So why in the world would anybody want to do private label over wholesale if these products are already selling and people are already buying these types of items? That's because with private label, you do have more control over the market because you deal directly with the manufacturer. So for example, if you are grabbing that water bottle and you're turning it into a brand, you're of course gonna get much better pricing, which allows you to then be very competitive within your listings and allows for a higher profit margin potential. Now with wholesale, it's a little bit different. There's a lot less risk because you are buying items that you know people are already looking at, they're already purchasing. But that's not to say that with a brand like this, for example, with Calvin Klein, you do first have to have brand access, okay? You do need to get those licenses to be able to sell those in the first place. This is why we lean towards the wholesale model here at Smart FBA, because we understand that this is a replicatable model. People are already looking at this, and it's really easy to duplicate within all our client stores. However, if you're looking to do your own stuff and you're looking to really grow your own brand, private label can be a really good solution because as you put time into your brand, as you develop more and more eyes and more market share of that form of product, you can then get a lot better margins with private label and really grow that brand and, you know, who knows, maybe even sell it in the future to someone looking to buy that brand up. Now, there's one thing to note. As you develop a brand and as more and more people start to see it, you will develop a lot of competitors, of course, because they understand these margins are really good. So just know as you grow, you will get more and more competitors. So keep note of that when you are looking at your margins and everything in private label. So which one is more suitable for you? Are you more someone that looks at something and wants to develop your own brand, put in the time and energy into it, and, you know, look at something in the long haul and potentially sell that brand years down the road? Or are you looking to actually just get involved in Amazon and find products that are already selling and kind of just jump in the market in terms of what people are already looking at and get a piece of that share? That's up to you guys. I don't make those decisions. Everybody is different. You know, for one person, private label might be the option. For another person, you know, wholesale might be that alternative solution. So it's whatever you're more comfortable with and really what resonates with what you want to do on Amazon. So just make sure that it aligns with whatever you want to do, whatever you want to accomplish at Amazon and how you want to become a seller here at Amazon FBA. So I hope this helped clarify some of the questions and concerns about Amazon FBA versus Amazon wholesale. If you guys have any other questions, you guys can reach out to me directly on Instagram right there, guys. So anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in today. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.